Skoda has blossomed underneath the Volkswagen Group umbrella, so much so that some people actually prefer the models from Lada Bolslav to the detriment of the ones from Wolfsburg. Unveiled today, the fourth-generation Superb overlaps with the Passat to a lesser extent, since the latter doesn't come as a sedan anymore. Cheshure's flagship can still be had as a sedan, although it's technically a hatchback since it has a more practical tailgate. As with every Skoda out there, the 2024 Superb is an unpretentious car catering to families and fleet operators by offering loads of space and tremendous practicality unmatched in this shrinking segment. The newcomer won't have to worry about the Opel Insignia, Ford Mondeo, or the Renault Talisman since all of them have been axed. Mainstream midsize sedans are few and far between in Europe, where Peugeot still sells the 508, Mazda the 6, and Toyota the Camry. While the exterior design is more of the same, the cabin has been revamped by getting rid of most, but not all, traditional controls. You still get a handful of old-school buttons for quick access, although you'll be using the screens most of the time to access functions. The infotainment will measure either 10 or 13 inches depending on the trim level, while the 10-inch digital driver's display is going to be standard. At an additional cost, a head-up display will be offered for the first time on the Superb. The new Superb gets a technology boost since it uses more advanced matrix LED headlights with 40% extra light output. It's also available with upgraded adaptive dampers, which come as standard on the Lauren and Clement flagship trim level. The Porsche L and K is available with all